because my daughter, Chloe, is going to be doing... Chloe, say bye, Chloe.
Hi everyone.
You know Chloe. So as you can see from the title, today my daughter Chloe is doing my makeup.
Hi everyone. I didn't know.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout on my own, all alone.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. As you can see, I have a guest on my channel today. It is my daughter Chloe.
Hi everyone.
And she's been on my channel loads of times, so you probably know Chloe anyway. We always do shopping together and good stuff like that. I am having my makeup done by Chloe, and not just any makeup. So a couple of months ago, I decided to go online and have a look at a company called Shop Miss A. Now, I was quite surprised because everything was
£1.
well, it was $1.
It was like 89p pound, well, $1.
So it was like 99p, £1. Some of it was 89p. I got bath bombs for 50p. It was a really, really good website.
Yeah.
So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really nice packaging. It's all pink, and this is the company name, shopmissa.com. And after going on here, I did get quite carried away. And if you can hear anything in the background, it's little Miss Mimi's.
My daughter Amelia.
Go check their website out because it's so
Amazing.
affordable. And obviously we're going to be trying the makeup out today. See what we think about it. See what sort of quality it is. And if it's worth for you guys to buy it. So before we start my makeup, I just want to talk about my daughter Chloe. She has an Instagram website where she does her own makeup tutorials, and they are brilliant. Go check them out. Her Instagram name is
Chloe's MUA.
Chloe's MUA. I will leave that link in the description bar down below. So if you want to go check that out, then please do. It will help her out so much. Also, she does TikTok, and I know at the minute, isolation, everybody is watching TikTok.
Everyone's doing TikTok.
And she does loads of makeup tutorials, loads of funny things on there as well. So go check that out. I'll leave that little link in the description box as well. And without further ado, let's get into this video. You went that way, I went that way. So I'm just going to undo all this makeup. So to start off with, I've got all this stuff in here. We've got eyeliners, mascara, there's facial primers, there's lots going on here.
Lipsticks.
I also picked up some brushes, so we're going to try these brushes out today. She's just ordered from this website as well, because when she saw mine, she was like, you paid £1 for that stuff. Leather envelope like this, and the quality is amazing. Feel that, it's so nice. Feel the quality of that.
Leather.
Yeah, it's really, really nice. And considering I didn't pay very much for these at all, I don't know what the brushes are like. We're going to try them out today, but you get a whole assortment of brushes. You've got brushes for eyes, brushes for face like contour, foundation brush. We're going to undo all the packaging, get straight back to you when Chloe starts doing my makeup. So what you're doing first?
I'm going to do the no pore face primer on my mum.
So what is this? So let's have a look.
It's a no pore face primer, so it's a silicone based primer that minimises the appearance of pores, mattifies the skin and creates a smooth canvas. Use alone or under foundation.
Which is good because I do have quite open pores. It really feels like it's covered up the pores. Picked up this concealer stick, and this is for dark circles under the eyes. They actually do this in 3 different shades. Yellow one, a green one, and this lilac one that I picked up. I think the lilac one was like for purple tones underneath the eyes and dark circles. So I wanted to try this one out, but they're all made for different things underneath the eye. I can say that feels like it's really brightened underneath my eyes. I didn't manage to get any brow products, so we're going to go off camera, do my brows, and then come back to do the eyes. So Chloe's done my brows, and she's done them the best that they've ever looked, because I can't get them like that. I literally cannot get them like that. They look so good. We're going to use concealer from the Miss A collection. And this one is liquid concealer. I got mine in the colour Light Ivory. And it just comes in a little tube like this.
I'll just go underneath Mum's eyebrows and then just basically shape them up for her. So if you turn this way, Mum. I'm using the new brushes from Paw, and it's a high definition brush, but it's for concealer. So now I'm going to do is go in and conceal this bit underneath Mum's eyebrows.
So brows all done, carved out, they're looking really, really nice. The concealer was really, really nice. Was it easy to blend in?
It was a nice texture at the end of the day. Like normally when you put concealer on, it goes really cakey or it goes bubbly on your eyes, but with this one, it just went straight on, and I patted it and it just went blended in so well.
And they look really good. It's still got like stickiness to it, so the eyeshadow is going to really stick. I didn't buy an eyeshadow palette. On there was quite a few eyeshadow palettes, but the ones I wanted, they were out of stock. I mean, this site is quite popular, so if you want stuff, you need to get on there quick because it's really popular and it does go out of stock quite quickly. So for eyeshadow, I just normally put like a little bit of highlighter on my eyes just to give myself that little bit of a glow. Halo highlighter, these are absolutely beautiful. I love the baked ones. I just think they go on really, really nice and really smooth. And I picked mine up in the shade 086 Love Lust. That's really brightened up my eyes, you can see.
You can 100%
I like
see
that. That's nice.
Yeah, so
there's no colour to it. It's just giving a bit of glow to my eye. So we're going to use the eyeliner that I got in the package. This is just a black gel eyeliner. That's normally what I use on my eyes anyway. And I did need a new one, so I'm glad I picked this up. And this stuff is so affordable, like £1. And I'm all about saving money on this channel, you know I am. Okay, so eyeliner's done. That was a really nice eyeliner actually. It's just like the eyeliner that I normally use, and I pay like £7 or £8 for my eyeliner, I'm not gonna lie. But this was like £1, so it's really good. I'm really pleased with that. Wow, I really like this makeup.
I like this makeup.
So I picked up the LA Colours Dramatic Lash Volume Mascara. So I was a bit disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. It is tiny.
It is tiny.
But I'm not gonna complain because I only paid £1 for it, so I can't really complain. So I absolutely love that mascara. It's so good.
It went on so nicely.
Really good. Oh wow, I really like that.
Okay.
So what next?
So now we're going to go for the Pro Wear Full Coverage Foundation. Mum got this in the colour Soft Tan.
And we're going to be using this beauty blender. And I'm not kidding you. When I say this beauty blender feels like velvet, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's so soft. And it says you dab on the foundation or any product. Just dab it on, don't pull it. Quite a thick consistency. Oh gosh, that's dark.
It's okay because I'm gonna.
It looks even darker in real life than it does on camera. I'm not joking you.
It's okay because
that's
I'm
dark.
Gonna do this. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in again with the light ivory concealer, and I'm just gonna use the concealer brush that I used for Mum's eyes. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go underneath like this.
We don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough.
Next up, we're going to contour with this. This is the Sculpt FX contour stick, and I picked mine up in the shade 3029 Fawn, and it just looks like this. So it's like a crayon contour stick. Not keen on that.
Do you want to use my contour stick?
You can't see it very much, but it's a real grey, muddy sort of colour.
Yeah, it's
so
like
I'm not
grey.
I'm not keen on that, but we can go back in with bronzer afterwards anyway. I picked up this setting powder, which is called the Studio Perfect Setting Powder. It just looks like this, and it comes in like a white powdery consistency, and this is translucent. So we've done the translucent powder, and I am looking really powdery at the minute. So I'm just going to spritz some vitamin E hydrating mist on, just because I don't like that powdery look. I don't like that cakey look. No one likes cakey look. So I'm going to spritz a little bit of that on. But I do feel like it's taking down the colour a little bit. So
taking down the darkness a lot.
Yeah.
So close your eyes.
Now we're using the bronzer, and the colour looks a bit funny, but we're going to try it out anyway. Picked up the matte bronzer, and it is in the shade Sunshine. I can see the chisel bit here, but I can't really see the chiseled.
The chisel?
Yeah, it's like you chisel something. It gives you like a really straight edge.
So, contour.
I've always said chisel.
It's contour.
Okay, we've contour. I feel like I need a bit of colour.
You do need a bit of colour. Should we go for the blush?
It doesn't have a colour, but it's like peachy shades. It's got a pink shade at the top and then a peachy shade at the bottom. I like the peachy shade.
So,
oh, that gives it a bit more colour.
that gives it much more colour.
Oh, that's much better.
100%.
I like that. So, lastly, we're going in with lip. Come up here. Come say hello. This is Amelia. She is literally covered in chocolate right now. Right, so this is the lip combo we're going to be using today. One is a lip liner. It is in the colour Mauve.
Yeah.
Really? And the lid just twists up like this. I like these ones. I think they're so much easier to use than the crayon ones. And also I picked up a liquid lipstick, and this is the Wonder Matte one, and Amelia's going again. Off she goes. Bye. Bye. Love you.
Love you.
Bye. See you in a minute. Shut the door for Nana.
Okay.
Good girl. Mind your fingers.
Be careful.
Good girl.
Bye, Papa.
Oh, bless her.
That's my daughter, everyone.
My granddaughter. Yeah, so I picked up a liquid lipstick, and this is the Wonder Matte one in the shade
Extra.
Is that what it said? Oh, you're
Yeah.
using it upside down. 2029 Extra, and it just looks like this. This looks like this.
It's a really pretty colour.
It is a really nice colour.
It's like really nice.
Combination themselves together, so
It's kind of the same.
that's the lip liner and that's the liquid lipstick, and it actually really goes, doesn't it?
It does,
Oh,
it's
I'm really
really
pleased
nice.
about that.
I'm done with the lip liner, so now we're going to go in with the actual lipstick. Oh, no, we're going nice
It
and
feels
colour.
really sticky.
It looks different,
I
actually.
feel like, look, my lips are like literally stuck together. But it is a pretty colour.
We forgot something.
But it's really nice. What?
Highlight.
The last thing is highlighter. We're going to use that same highlight again. What was it called? Love Lust? Lust, Love?
Love Lust.
Love Lust. I'm going to go in with that again on my cheeks. Not. I don't actually wear highlighter anymore. I stopped wearing
no,
it.
you don't actually. Cause
No.
yeah, but your skin's quite bright, like glowy anyway.
Thanks.
No, that's a nice thing.
No, that's what I mean. Thanks.
It's a compliment. So again, you only need a little bit because it's quite pigmented.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah,
actually.
exactly. It looks good.
Oh, that's really nice. So this is the finished look. I really like it actually. I love the way it looks on the face. I wasn't keen on the foundation. The foundation is already creasing at the sides and around the nose area, so I don't think I'll be purchasing that again.
Yeah, I wouldn't purchase the foundation.
But the rest of it I really liked. I love the highlighter. I think that really does look nice and glowy on my skin. I really like that.
The primer.
The primer was really good. I love the primer. The lipstick's really nice, although it still feels sticky on the lips. And I find with matte lipsticks, they sort of dry, but this hasn't. It's still
quite sticky.
It's still quite sticky.
Yeah.
So It's a nice colour though, I can't complain.
And the brushes as well.
The brushes are lovely. If you're going to buy anything, buy the brushes because they're really, really nice.
How much are they?
I can't remember. I'll put a link down below. I think there was about £7 for 10 of them.
Okay.
So that's really £7 or £8. I'm not. Don't quote me on that because I'm not exactly sure, but I will put a link down below to let you know how much everything costs. Overall, I really, really like the products. I think it's so affordable. If you're just starting out on makeup and you just want to try it out, then go for it. It's really, really good. The only thing is, like I said, it does take a long time for it to get to you. But yeah, I was really, really happy with the way things turned out. I love my makeup. I think it looks really nice, although the foundation is a little bit dark. This isn't the sort of colour that I would normally go for. I mean, I'm a bit tanned at the minute, so that's a good thing at least. But yeah, I absolutely loved it. Thank you so much, Chloe, for doing my makeup. And as you can see, she does makeup so well. That's everything today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget, if you like this video, thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Hit that little red button down below. Also hit the notification bell because that will tell you when I next upload. And I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.